Parvatasanam. Separate legs. Don't lift heel. Full foot on mat, full sole on mat. Legs straight. Tighten both kneecap. Tighten both kneecap. మోకాలు చెప్పులు గట్టిగా బిగించాలి. Total upper body pull down like a dog stretching, like a downward dog stretching. Wrist, elbow, shoulder, head, neck, upper back and mid back. Total pull down upper body. Pull down, look down and find your abdomen. Not mat, not foot, not kneecap, not thigh. Total upper body pull down like a dog stretching. Pull down, look down and find your abdomen. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, మోకాలు చెప్పులు బిగించాలి. సాత్విక్. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, don't lift heel. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sashankashanam.